Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat with seating for 3 comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And then on the left side, you have your cruise controls as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, we have a 12 volts and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have another 12 volt with USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.